Greetings, I greet you in the name of our Father, Mother God. I'm light, I send you my light. I'm love, I send you my love. I'm peace, I send you my peace. Um, Before we start today's reading, I ask you kindly to make a conscious breath. A conscious breath is an imagination of when you are inhaling light through your mouth and exhaling out darkness again through your mouth. Let us do it together. Take in the light, bring out the darkness. Take in the light, bring out the unknownness. Take in the light, bring out the darkness. Please get to know you are a divine being. You were created known to work for heaven, but your higher self is situated in heaven. You came on this earth to bring heaven on earth. Remember your divinity and become the divine you came to remember. The God in me greets the God in you. The reading goes like this. My dear friends, we love you so much. Welcome to 2025. It's time to come alive and bring your hearts, passion, and love to the surface. It is time to question anything that does not serve the life and joy within, and resolve to give God the task of inspiring you and helping you make desired changes. Your work is not to stress or strain or strive to figure out how to make things happen, but rather to get yourself into a vibration where you allow things to happen. This does not mean you will sit in a chair visualizing without any action at all. It does mean, however, that you will turn yourself into how you want to feel in life and then act when you are inspired, when joy calls, or when something feels good to you. Of course, there are things you must do. You have to pay your bills and handle affairs in the family or home. Something simply must be done to keep your life on earth moving. If you must do things you do not enjoy, try to find a way to add some love to the equation. Hmm? Whistle while working. Put on your favorite songs. Promise yourself a little reward after you do a must do that you would rather not do. Ask for help from a friend. Find ways to create a little more love, a little more fun, a little more joy in those tasks that do not inspire you. You will soon discover that even those mundane tasks can make you feel blessed when you add the secret ingredients of love. If you take an honest look at your life, there are many things you do that you do not have to do, or even what to do. Perhaps you loved mowing in the teens year, I mean 10 years ago, but now you rather hire someone. Imagine the relief of having someone come and handle this for you in a comfortable way. Then then give the task of finding the right person to the divine and let go. Rest assured, the universe will help you find someone who loves to do what that fantastic work is supposed to do. Suppose you are used to cooking, but now have other interests. Find healthy, eat and eat meals. Stop bleeding yourself for what some of you consider to be cheating. Many enjoy the diversity of food that is now available. They relish the chance of to try things they would never cook for themselves. As you go through your tasks in life, ask yourself why. Why am I doing what I'm doing? Sometimes the answer is simple. I pay my taxes because it is part of living in a society that I enjoy. I feed my children because I love them and want them to be healthy. I take care of my aging parents because I want them to know they are loved. Love is always a beautiful why. However, if your why is no longer rooted in love, question your actions. What would you like instead? Would you like to, would you like would you like some help, like someone to do to do your taxes? Would you like some help from your family? Would you like some help maybe in a home to take care of your parents? If so, either take the step you know to take or start manifesting. Allow yourself to imagine what it would be like to have help. Imagine how it would feel to have more freedom and more time. Then let go. Give the divine the task of helping you solve your situation. The creator of the universe is perfectly capable of helping you with your lives. Dear ones, when it comes to the things you do not know how to accomplish, remember always the source does know. The creator knows infinite, beautiful, positive ways that your dreams can come to fruition. The creator knows how to inspire you to connect with the right person at the right time for mutual benefit. In contrast, the divine is aware of your financial needs, the time you have available, and the resources at your disposal, but also aware of how you can be brought, you can be brought anything that you don't have or don't need. Your life was meant to be much more joyful than most allow it to be. Your life was meant to be a dance between you and the infinite spirit that lives in all things and all beings. Your life was not meant to be a struggle for survival, a contest about who is right or wrong, or an experience of enslavement to another way career. Your life was meant to be a dance of love, dear friends, and in the smallest of ways, you can begin to add more love to live right here and now. This year, 2025, it is a time to come alive. It is a time to look at your life and each day question yourself. Am I happy doing what I'm doing? What needs to change? What can I delegate to the creator of the universe? What do I love doing? How can I add love to things that I must do? These questions are not meant to be answered with desperate resignation or willingness to settle or suffer, but rather with a willingness to allow more love in your everyday life. That's it, dear friends. Is how you begin to love life more, starting with the smallest of ways. God bless you. We love you so much. We are the angels. Namaste.